Your body is very weird. Do you feel that? Sometimes when you don't work out, you feel exhausted, like not fully exhausted, but you feel very lazy, foggy, and very dismal. But on the other hand, when you do very hard gymnastic, exercise and workouts, you feel exhausted. Your body and mind feel exhausted, anxieties, and you just feel to do nothing, like can't focus on any work, do nothing and just sitting and just wanting to sleep and recovery. In both cases, you can't focus properly. Your energy will disappear. So, what's the real truth? How can you actually focus like David Goggins? And here's only just 5 simple steps you can actually follow and becoming a god of focus. So the first and the most important thing, and it's basically a mistake, and the mistake number 1 of this video is no workout problem. Yes, the name of this point is no workout. So whenever you do feel like that you are exhausted and stop doing workout, stop moving your body, your minds also feel that. Your mind feel that yes, my body don't need any other activity or extra energy. That's why your body feel inactive and your mind follow it. That's why don't make this mistake in the first place. Because whenever you stop moving your body feel inactive. That's why it feels stress and anxiety and you are anxious throughout the day. But you can't just figure out that why it's happened with me constantly, that I can't focus on this or that, and I just can't focus on my study, my side hustles, my businesses. But you need to understand that when you don't actually move your body, your mind follow your body's rule that yes, I feel very lazy, I feel unwell, and that's why you can't focus. So in the first place, just stop making this mistake, start doing workout. And in the long term of this video, I will actually discuss how much do you need to work out and what's the balance, and how you actually become a very focused guy on your work and also have an active physique. So this is our first mistake, and here's our second mistake, which is too much workout problem. Yes, the first one is no workout problem, and the second one is too much workout problem. And in this problem, you actually make mistakes on workouting too much. Like how much time it happened with you that you are actually making a good workout today, like 1 to 2 hours of gym. You are just beating your shit out of your ass and just working out very soon and having a great workout days. Like you actually feel your back muscles sore, your legs muscles sore, all of your muscles in everywhere your body is sore. And after the day you actually feel very exhausted. And after just doing this workout session, you feel that yes, I don't have any other energy to do the work. I need to just recover, go for sleep. And you actually feel very sleepy. You feel very inactive. Do you see the hypocrisy? It's our second mistake. And here's people do too much workout and having a great gym session or home workout sessions or sports sessions, but after that they don't have any other energy to do their other work like studies or businesses and all of these things. This is the biggest hypocrisy. Just like you see, your body is the most important and the biggest hypocrisy in the world. Sometimes it need to do workout, but after you do the workout, it actually exhausted your all of muscles and you feel to sleep again, like it drain all of your energy from your body. It's the biggest hypocrisy. But here's the actual solution of this problem. because every single problem has a good solution in this world actually. Because I don't know about the hell or heaven. So here's the solution of this problem, the real solution, which is balance. You need to just balance it. That's it. No other any pill, no other secret pills, no other way, no other shortcut. You just need to minimize your working out time but also do workout at the same time. Because in the first place, if you don't work out, you feel lazy throughout the day. But on the other hand, if you follow this first mistake and just found this solution and you don't work out or do too much workout, then you feel exhausted again and it's create a loop. But the only solution of this critical problem is balancing your workout. You just need to hit the sweet spot, like those 30 to 40 minutes of working out that actually needed your body. Not do too much or not do less of them. Just hit the sweet spot, and it's the actual solution, and it's actually what I personally do. I also just hit the sweet spot, and I will give you a bonus point, which is change your priority. Because you don't actually need to compete on any competition like those bodybuilder Arnold types physique. You don't do it and you don't need it. You just need a healthy life. So train like this. Change your mindset, shift your priority. You don't need to compete like a bodybuilder, so don't train like a bodybuilder. You just need a healthy life, so train like it. Train for 40 to 45 minutes and hit a good workout session at those time period. And I will give you a suggestion, which is try doing yoga. Yes, yoga and this type of stretching is actually relax your mind and body. I also personally do it and I will suggest you, because it's actually relax all of my body, claim all of the stress, anxiety which I have throughout the days. So yeah, that's it for this video. Do you actually watching this video till right now? You can actually consider subscribing so that you can actually make sure not missing all of our future valuable video which we made. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in another video, these types of video. So yeah, take care and take action and take the pill of truth.